Just like that, I wake up hear say Vicky James dey trend. Wetin happen wey Vicky James come dey everywhere? My people, hey, wonders dey say e shall never end. Dey say women supporting women. This time around, na women bringing down women. Wetin be Vicky James offence wey dey start dey put am for her body woto woto? Make una come closer, make una come hear matter. Now, Vicky James went on an interview where they asked her a series of questions about marriage, wetin dey turn her on and all, and wetin be the thing wey she really dey aspire, as in, they asked her a series of questions. Then she say, she go advise, she dey always like am if a woman can be a supporting wife, have something doing, making sure say she dey support the husband in any way she can. I no sure say e pass like this. E pass this talk when I dey talk like this because I watch the interview from beginning to the very end. I still do not know wetin Vicky James talk wey dey wrong, wey dey start dey drag her like undone goat meat. Dey drag her like I pass my neighbor generator, drag her go left, drag her go right. Wetin happen? I'm like, come. They say na women supporting women because for the comment section, na women na dem even comment pass. The men are just saying, wow, wow, they love what they heard from Vicky James. But na women na im come dey carry the matter for head like gala. I am like, on a normal time, so many things will bring you to marriage. You have so many reasons why you got married. And being consistent, being there for your man or for your woman is part of marriage. Supporting him in every way you can is also part of marriage. Keeping the home in order is part of marriage. If she say e go make sense, make you as a wife dey supportive, dey provide for the family, I no see anything wrong in that. And I bet you, the moment you start contributing, you no just sit down for house like oduku, dey wait say make na the man dey always dey bring. The moment you start doing all those things, like you wan buy maggi, you wan buy salt, you no need to call the man say, oga, where you dey? If you dey come buy salt and maggi o, you go straight to the point, you buy your maggi, buy your salt. Him come back, you tell am say, he say, that salt wey no dey house o, I bin forget, I no even branch market to buy am. You go say, my husband, I don buy am. You go see that joy in his face. He will be happy seeing that, okay, you are doing every little way you can to support the family. E no mean say you must comot 100 million naira or pack all the money wey you work take come support am, because the man too, e no just sit down na, e get the one wey im dey do. I no talk say e good make woman dey support im husband 100% o, but the little little ones wey you know say you go do comot face, e no bad if you do am. And nothing is bad if you support the family in a way. You understand? So people now coming to say, after all, na she dey cater for her husband, na she be the alpha, na she be the omega for the marriage. How she no go come talk say make women dey take responsibility, make women dey chest activities, make women. So wait o, e be like say e get another thing again wey dey attached to this very one wey I no know. See, some women can mislead you. E get one particular woman once upon a time wey tell me say e no dey help im husband dey wash cloth, e no dey do anything for house, na the husband dey do everything. Say she na to just cross leg, in the night she go service am, na the work wey dem marry her to come do be that. Guess what? That woman was only but lying. If only I follow that woman, I for mislead by now. But lie, that woman, the day when I catch her red-handed, she wash cloth. E remain small make that woman wash im husband tire of im car. Na small remain, because she don wash cloth, wash fence, wash jupiter, wash this, wash that, repair house, baff, do everything. I say, I stand for where I stand, my body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. Say na this woman wey tell me say na her husband dey do everything, so that she go come now push me. If me I dey do all the house chores before, dey support him in any way I can, she go come now push me, I go come change, come dey think say na the same thing wey she dey do. Whereas she is very supportive, she dey do every activities of the house, dey keep the house in order. The man go come, he go chop thank you, chop very much. Whereas she dey come dey tell me another thing just to mislead me. And at the end of the day, after I catch her red-handed, I no even let her know say I catch her. I just shall know to say people dey where they can deceive their fellow women. But with the question wey me have been called the thing for my mind, wey be say I come dey say whether make I ask her or make I no ask her. Shebi if she pursue me for husband house, because if I start dey misbehave and my husband when we were dating, he no know me to be like that. All of a sudden, if I can't change and him come pursue me go my father house, shebi she won't come marry my husband? Will she get her own husband? Of course not. Or even if she want to, then what will she gain in pushing me to do the things that she herself she's not doing? Nobody said you should support him 1001%. But as a woman, for this century, 2025, who would dey like this, wey be say everywhere hard, everything get as e be, e no go bad if you support your husband in every little way you can. It will make the marriage even more stronger. It will make him value you. It will make him, anywhere where they talk about women, he go talk about you with him full chest. You no go even think am twice when he dey talk am. That is the power of being a good wife, and not only good, a supporting wife. So I no see anything wrong in wetin Vicky James talk, wey be say they nearly wan use her do barbecue. Women just dey paja here and there. We know say na you dey support your husband, na you be the alpha, na you be the omega, na you dey provide, na you dey this, na you dey that. How you no go talk this? How you no go talk that? I am like, make una dey sukwane now. People dey talk this thing now. No be she be the first person to talk am now. Why e be say una come, e come be like say e get another thing wey Vicky James don do una, wey una bin dey wait make she do interview talk so that una go drag her. What has she said wrong that is wrong here? What has she said wrong that people have not said before? Haba. Make una dey support una own for once. I say comment section, if una go there, una go come dey ask say, wait o, Vicky James talk say make person kpai im husband. Abi no be for the betterment, how e go take better for your family, na Vicky James talk? Because anybody wey get the one wey e dey do, even if na 1 naira, if the husband dey earn 100 million, you can't find out say you dey do most of your thing your way, like you dey do your thing without even asking him. Men value women. Some men no be all of them again. Some men dey useless to the extent wey be say if dem know say you dey do for yourself, they no go bother to do for you. Why some dey, if dem know say you no dey ask, they no mind to do thank you and very much for you. They no mind to rob bank for your sake. So men have different category. Just shall know the one way you get and work with the one way you get. But you see that little ones, that little things, get wetin you dey do for hand and make you support with those little things. It go really make sense. That is my own point of view. My view and your view no fit be the same. If only we work together to make Nigeria a better place, to make the whole world a better place. Because what Vicky James just said is not 100% bad. So make una rest and make una stop to the dragger. Very, very important. So guys, na the matter be this. So I say make a control pan for una, so that una will also drop una opinion wetin una think for the comment section. I remain your humble girl, Aliyah, and I'm going to bring una latest. Bye for now.